PMI and I both have a belief that a 4-year degree does not make you a better employee. I don't believe that there's any reason not to start at a technical college. PMI is a metal manufacturer, a fabricator. We range in size from very small parts to large parts that take 2 people to actually maneuver. We make parts of many things. And because we're very diverse, we are in a number of industries, and I am the HR manager. I am the person that markets the company. I recruit, I retain, I train. I make sure employees are getting what they need to be successful.
PMI, this is Shirley.
We're the ones who want to hire those kids, and we want them to meet our needs, and we want them to be successful. So that hands-on for them, I think, is a win for them, but it's also a win for us. We have currently 3 student welders on site. I think that a lot of the things that they learn in a smaller classroom, more hands-on, cheaper, are all those things that set them up to be successful. I have found that students at CVTC have a desire to learn. They have a drive to be better than what they are, and they have that ability to look at something I might be offering them and work with me to see how that might fit into their career, not just today, but 5 years from now. I've partnered with CVTC for a number of years. In that time, I have partnered with them on training programs for the employee that comes in that has basically no skill. What can we provide them through CVTC in either a class or a seminar that will get them that next level skill to be successful here? I've also partnered with CVTC in some of the upper level skills, being able to set up a class specific to a company's prints and have someone come in and do a print reading class right on site. PMI in particular has made use of the leadership programs and the supervisory management programs that CVTC has had for a number of years, and we have put through a large percentage of our middle to upper management through those programs. In addition, I've used the safety programs and have seen the benefits in that out on the floor, right on the production floor. They've been on site, or I go to them, and they have always been helpful. They have always been very open to what I may be asking for that's a little bit out of the ordinary, and they have been able to provide it every time. Employees that I've worked with at all levels have that desire to be better, and partnering with CVTC throughout their career makes them better. And we provide all of our employees here that opportunity to partner with CVTC no matter where they are in their career. That partnership is actually something that we wouldn't be as successful as we are without. The success of that is just immeasurable. CVTC, for you, for life.